Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. And have you eaten this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, alhamdulillah, good. So it's very important to have a breakfast in the morning, right? So before we start our lesson, it will be better if we are praying together. Praying, start. Finish. So, firstly, I will check the attendance list first. And I will mention your name one by one. Okay, please listen. Sri Devika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Andi Mauliana.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. And Ainon Karni.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So no one missing, right? So, and our lesson today is about animals. Wait, I'm going to share screen. Okay, so our lesson today is about animals. The first one is definition of animals. So animal is a member of the kingdom Animalia and is typically characterized by a multicellular body, specialist sense organs, voluntary movement, responses to texture in the environment, and the ability to acquire and digest food. Jadi, hewan adalah anggota animalia dan biasanya dicirikan oleh tubuh multiseluler. Organ indera khusus, gerakan sukarela, respon terhadap faktor-faktor di lingkungannya, dan kemampuan untuk mencari makanan. So the next is the example of the animals. So as you can see, these are the example of animals. There is a mouse, there is a frog, kangaroo, and dragonfly, grasshopper, owl, deer, turtle, bee, ladybird, monkey, and others. So, semuanya pasti sudah tidak asing lagi dengan binatang. Jadi, anyone can give another example of animals? Ada yang bisa memberi contoh lain dari hewan?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, please. Andi Mauliana.
Cat.
Okay, cat.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Ainon.
Crocodile.
Okay, good. Thank you for...
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Devika.
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Okay, it's okay.
Buffalo.
Okay, great. So thank you for the answers, students. And the next one is how to ask and answer question about animals. So if we want to question about the name of the animals, uh, we say, what animals is this? So, and we can answer it with this is a, this is a, this is, for example, this is a cat. And the next is the place of the animals. We can say, if we want to question about the place of the animals, we can say, where does it live? And the answer, we can say, the cat, the cat, the cat live in the, where is the cat live?
House.
In the house and
Where?
in the house, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And the last one is the food of the animals. And when we want to question about the food of the animals, we can say, what does it eat? And you can answer it with the cat eats fish, for example. And the next one is the kind of animals. So the kind of, there are two kinds of animals. The first one is tame animals. Tame animals or binatang jinak. And the second is wild animals or binatang liar. The first one is tame animals. Tame animals are animals that are harmless and not scary. These tame animals can also usually be kept by humans and obey the orders of their masters. So, hewan jinak adalah hewan yang tidak menakutkan, dan hewan jinak juga bisa dipelihara dan biasanya mendengar perkataan dari majikannya. These are the example of tame animals. The first one is cat, the second one is rabbit, and the third is cow. And I want to ask again, who can give another example again of the tame animals? Hewan jinak yang biasanya dipelihara. Ya, please. Yes, please.
Dog, ma'am. Dog.
Dog. Okay, dog. Banyak yang...
Bird, ma'am.
What? Sorry?
Bird.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the answer. The next is wild animals atau binatang liar. So wild animals are not accustomed to coexist with humans because sometimes they are too dangerous to be kept. Wild animals usually live in forests, mountains, seas, swamps, meadows, and others. Jadi hewan liar tidak dibiasakan hidup berdampingan dengan manusia karena terlalu berbahaya. Hewan liar ini biasanya tinggal di hutan, di gunung, di lautan, di lautan dan di hutan dan lain-lain. And contoh dari hewan liar, these are the example of wild animals. There is a snake, tiger, and crocodile. And the next one is the example of sentences to ask and answer question about the animals. This is the picture. This picture is a rabbit. So if we want to ask and answer about the name of the animals, we can say, what animals is this? And we answer with, this is a rabbit. So if we want to question about the place of the animals, we can say, where does the rabbit live? And the answer is, the rabbit lives in the grasslands. Jadi jika kita ingin bertanya tentang tempat tinggal dari hewan, kita bisa bertanya di manakah kelinci tinggal, dan kita bisa menjawab dengan kelinci tinggal di rumput, for example. And the last is the food. If you want to ask a question about the food of the animals, you can say, what does the rabbit eat? Apa yang dimakan oleh kelinci? And we can answer with, the rabbit eats carrot. Kelinci makan wortel. So these are the picture about animals. So I would like to ask you how to answer these questions. I want you to answer it. The first one is, what animal is it? Who can answer it? This one.
Cat.
How to answer it? This is a cat.
This is a cat.
Okay. Where does the cat live? Where does the cat live?
It lives at cage.
Okay, the cat lives at the cage. And the last question is, what does the cat eat? Biasanya apa yang dimakan oleh kucing? How to answer? The cat eats
Fish and chicken.
It's a fish.
Okay, so the cat eats fish and chicken.
Yes.
And the next animal is, what animal is this?
The animal is tiger.
Okay, good. This is a tiger. So where does it live? Where does the tiger live? Have you seen a tiger? Siapa yang sudah pernah lihat harimau?
Never.
Never. Usually we see tiger in the zoo or usually in the forest. So the tiger live in the zoo. So the last question is, what does the tiger eat? What does the tiger eat?
The tiger eats meat.
Okay, great, Devika. So the tiger eats meat. And the last animal is, what animal is this? Is it?
The animal is crocodile.
Okay.
This is a crocodile.
Okay, good. This is a crocodile. So where does the crocodile live?
In the river, ma'am.
Okay, in the river. So the crocodile lives in the river. And the last question is, what does the crocodile eat?
The crocodile eat meat.
Okay, so the crocodile and the tiger have the same food, right? So, do you have, I want to ask a question. Do you have animals in the house? Who has
Yes, ma'am.
animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Devika, what animals do you have, Devika?
I have cat and hamster.
Okay, great. So you have a cat, and what color?
The color is white and orange.
How much the cat do you have in the house?
I have 5 cats in the home.
How much? 5?
5.
Wow, it's so much. Okay, Andi Moliana, do you have a cat? Do you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
what animals do you have?
I have rabbits in my house.
Okay, good. So, what color the rabbit? What color of the rabbit?
White, orange, and black.
I think you have uh, so much rabbit, right? Okay, good. So, I think that's all for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
lesson
I
today.
have 10 of rabbits.
Okay, good, good. So I think that's all for today. And ada yang bisa memberi kesimpulan pada pertemuan hari ini? Ada yang bisa memberi kesimpulan about our lesson today? No one? Who can give a summary? Okay, who can? Anyone can give a summary today for this meeting?
No, ma'am.
No? Or ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Ada yang ingin ditanyakan? No?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay. So, pada pertemuan hari ini kita dapat menyimpulkan bahwa
Ma'am.
kita dapat menyimpulkan bahwa hewan adalah anggota dari animalia dan hewan terdiri dari dua, yaitu tame animals and wild animals. Tame animals adalah, siapa yang bisa jawab? Tame animals adalah hewan
jinak, ma'am.
Oke, thank you Devika. Jadi tame animals adalah hewan jinak dan wild animals adalah hewan liar. So, the example of tame animals. Can you give the example of tame animals dari hewan jinak?
Chicken, ma'am. Chicken.
Chicken. Okay, great. How about wild animals? Can you give example?
Gorilla and anaconda.
Okay, great. Gorilla. So, I think that's all for lesson today. Thank you for joining and your participation for today's lesson. And before we finish this lesson, it will be better if we are praying first. Praying start. Finish. Okay, thank you. Thank you, students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Waalaikumsalam
ma'am.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.